Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a fresh set on my lovely client Alison. So she's come in, we've cleaned our hands, we've sanitised, all that lovely important stuff. And we've gone ahead and done our prep and our clear base. Now the only reason I haven't recorded any prep was the video was quite long, although it didn't seem quite long after I edited it. I wasn't planning on recording, but I just thought, right, get the camera on. So next time I will record obviously the prep and stuff like that as well. So yes, we've got our clear base on. I've shaped the clear base, I've just etched over the surface of the clear base, and now we're going to come in with CJP Obsession. And here I'm making a nail bed, so like an extended nail bed, and I'm using the Liz Guild brush as well. And then I'm just tapping that into the cuticle area, brushing the front end of that bead down onto the previous product we've already applied, making sure that the cuticle is nice and neat and tucked in really well. So I'm just patting and prodding that into a position. Don't be afraid to turn your client's hand around as well so you can see that it's central. But we are going to file that anyway. And I'm just going to go ahead on all the other nails and put the nail bed colour down on where I want it, because we're going to use quite a lot of glitters. And so I don't really want to be contaminating the nail bed with the glitter. So I'm just getting that done first. Obsession is such a beautiful nail bed colour. It's almost like glassy, has like a glassy gel finish. It's so pretty. So I'm just doing ombres on the index and the pinky, just covering the nail plate. Again, still tucking it nice and neatly into that cuticle area using the tip of my brush. And then on the thumb, we're just going to do another extended nail bed. So I'll just let you watch and then come back when I need to. Gone ahead and filed the nail bed, and I did start applying the glitter onto the pinky, but I forgot to press record. So we're just going to start straight off on the nail bed, and I'm using CJP.
What's that cut right there?
It's a blister. Sorry, Poppy threw me. I think this, I can't really see. I think it's Inky Pool that we're using down one side. Then I'm going to come up the other side with Tranquil, and then just put a bit of Ice Baby in the middle. And then on top of that, I'm using some of the CJP flakes. I don't know what number they were. They come in like a box of 6, and it was one of them. But I just thought it just to add that extra sparkle. And then basically I'm just going to do the same thing on all of the nails. So on the middle finger, we're just going to do full glitter ombre. So I'm going to use Ice Baby, ombre into Tranquil, and then Inky Pool. And then on top of that, I'm going to apply the CJP flakes. So now they're all done, I'm going to go ahead and encapsulate all of the nails. So I'm using crystal glass and I'm just tapping it into the cuticle area and then just gently patting and pulling and walking that bead down the nail. And if it doesn't quite reach the end, don't worry, just kind of blend it in and then go in with another bead on the end. I always angle my brush inwards when I come to the side walls, so my product is always going back into the centre. So after I encapsulated all of the nails and they were all set, I went ahead and filed them. I do have videos previously of my filing routine if you want to go and check them out. I just didn't record any in this particular set because I like to mix it up. Some days maybe not have it, some days do have it. I don't need to get bored with the content. So that's why I just kind of record what and when. So after I've filed and shaped all the nails, I cleaned away all the dust, and now I'm using the Time to Shine top coat. Just, my client was absolutely mesmerised. In person, they looked so gorgeous. Like, I don't know if you see her in a minute wriggling her little finger. It's so funny, but they just look so pretty. This will be cured in the lamp for 60 seconds, and when she comes out, I'll just give it a second to cool down before I go in with cuticle oil, because it can sometimes dull the shine if you go in while it's still hot. And then I've left a little clip at the end for you to see the final result. Please like this video if you did. Please subscribe if you're not already, and please follow my Instagram because I do post a lot more there as well. Also, let me know if you're interested in seeing a teeth vlog. I am currently starting the process of a smile makeover. So if you're interested in that, let me know. If you'd like to see those sort of vlogs on my channel, or maybe do a different channel, I don't know, but let me know. I love you all so much. Thank you for supporting me as always, and I will see you all again in my next video. Bye bye.